Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Buddy Holly shirt is probably one of the most iconic and stylish pieces of apparel a music lover or fashion enthusiast can own, blending timeless rock and roll heritage with contemporary fashion sensibilities, making it a versatile addition to any wardrobe that speaks volumes about your appreciation for legendary artistry and classic style. Number 5. P.J. Paul Jones Men's Vintage Striped Knit Polo. Discover a classic look with our vintage striped knit polo. Its stylish design brings a touch of retro charm to your wardrobe. Enjoy the comfort of short sleeves, perfect for warmer days or layering. This piece offers a relaxed fit for everyday wear. Featuring a stylish button-down front, this polo offers a refined yet casual aesthetic. It's easy to dress up or down. Crafted from a soft knit fabric, it feels great against the skin. This versatile sweater is a comfortable addition to any outfit. Elevate your style effortlessly with this unique knit polo. It's designed for the modern man who appreciates quality and distinctive fashion. What we like. This option offers a unique vintage knit stripe design with a stylish button-down cardigan style. If you're looking for a blend of retro charm and comfortable knitwear, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate a classic yet fashionable look for casual outings. What people say. The shirt is made of a soft, comfortable material that feels great against the skin. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and sharp details that really capture Buddy Holly's iconic look. The fit is true to size, making it easy to order the right size without any guesswork. Number 4. Hardaddy Men's Casual Striped Shirt. Introducing the Hardaddy Men's Casual Striped Shirt. Perfect for a relaxed summer vibe, this shirt offers both comfort and style. Crafted from breathable fabric, it's ideal for warm weather. Stay cool and comfortable all day long. Featuring a classic button-down front, this short-sleeve blouse is easy to wear. It's a versatile addition to any casual wardrobe. The eye-catching striped pattern adds a touch of personality. It's a stylish choice for beach days or casual outings. Embrace the laid-back Hawaiian shirt aesthetic. This piece is designed for your ultimate summer enjoyment. Don't miss out on this essential summer piece. It's the perfect blend of casual comfort and trendy design. What we like. Featuring a casual striped print in a Hawaiian style, this is ideal for summer vibes. If you love a relaxed, tropical aesthetic for your warm weather adventures, this shirt is a must-have. It's designed for those who want to bring a touch of vacation to their everyday wear. What people say. The shirt is made of a soft, comfortable material that feels great against the skin. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and sharp details that really make the design pop. It fits true to size and the cut is flattering, making it a versatile piece for casual wear. Number 3. Dolly Parton Western T-shirt. Introducing the Dolly Parton Western T-shirt, a must-have for any fan. This comfortable tee captures the iconic style of Dolly Parton. Get yours today and show your love for the legend. Embrace the spirit of the West with this unique t-shirt. It's designed for comfort and style, perfect for everyday wear. Show off your appreciation for country music's queen. Crafted from soft, breathable fabric, this shirt offers all-day comfort. The eye-catching design makes it a standout piece in any wardrobe. It's the perfect blend of fashion and fandom. Celebrate the legendary Dolly Parton with this Western-inspired t-shirt. It's an ideal gift for yourself or any devoted fan. Wear it proudly and let your admiration shine. Don't miss out on this exclusive Dolly Parton Western t-shirt. Add a touch of country charm to your look. Order now and bring a piece of music history home. What we like. This tee celebrates the iconic Dolly Parton with a distinct Western-style graphic. If you're a fan of country music legends or appreciate a bold, statement-making graphic tee, this is the one for you. It's perfect for expressing your admiration and love for a true icon. What people say. This shirt is a great way to show your love for Buddy Holly. The design is classic and timeless, just like Buddy Holly himself. The fabric is soft and comfortable, perfect for everyday wear. Number 2. Hardaddy Men's Vintage Bowling Shirt. Step back in time with this vintage-inspired bowling shirt. Its classic design brings a touch of nostalgia to your summer wardrobe. Enjoy the warm weather in comfort with its short sleeves. This shirt offers a relaxed fit perfect for any casual occasion. The traditional button-down front adds a touch of timeless appeal. It's easy to wear in style for a laid-back look. Embrace the spirit of summer with its vibrant Hawaiian print. It's the perfect companion for beach days and sunny adventures. Featuring a unique beach-themed print, this shirt stands out from the crowd. It effortlessly blends casual style with eye-catching design. Designed for everyday wear, it provides both style and ease. You'll love its comfortable feel and versatile look. What we like. Embrace a retro feel with this vintage bowling shirt featuring a fun Hawaiian print. If you're aiming for a cool, laid-back look with a touch of nostalgia, this is an excellent pick. It's particularly suited for casual gatherings, beach trips, or anyone who enjoys a playful, retro aesthetic. What people say. The retro design brings all the nostalgic charm, and the festive patterns make them perfect for holiday parties, family gatherings, or just showing off some unique style during the season. The fabric is surprisingly comfortable, lightweight, breathable, and great quality. The fit is relaxed but flattering, and the details, like the contrast piping and classic button up front, really make the shirt stand out. It does look like the picture. Colors and print are what they look like. Number 1. 1950s Vintage Rockabilly Swing T-shirt. Transport yourself to the vibrant era of the 1950s. Relive the iconic styles and unforgettable music that defined a generation. Embrace the spirit of rockabilly with this vintage-inspired tee. Its classic design captures the essence of the 50s sock hop and doo-wop scene. Whether you're heading to a themed party or just want to add a retro flair to your everyday look, this shirt is a fantastic choice. Crafted for comfort, this t-shirt doesn't compromise on style. Enjoy a soft feel while showcasing your love for timeless fashion. Make a bold statement with this unique piece. It's more than just a t-shirt, it's a wearable piece of history. Experience the fun and energy of the 50s every time you wear it. This shirt is designed to bring a smile to your face and turn heads. What we like. Step back in time with this 1950s vintage rockabilly design, perfect for sock hops and rockers. If you're drawn to the energetic style of the 50s or love a bold, themed outfit, this t-shirt is an outstanding choice. It's ideal for themed parties, retro events, or simply making a vibrant fashion statement. What people say. The shirt is made of a soft, comfortable material that feels great against the skin. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and sharp details that really make the Buddy Holly graphic pop. It's a classic fit that's neither too tight nor too loose, making it perfect for everyday wear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.